Welcome to SL Tech Home. Today our tutorial is on creating a budget spreadsheet in Excel. Budgeting is crucial for managing your finances effectively, and Excel offers a powerful tool to help you do just that. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Open Excel. Let's start by opening Microsoft Excel. You can typically find Excel in your computer's applications or by searching for it in the Start menu. Once Excel is open, click on Blank Workbook to start a new spreadsheet. Now, let's label our columns. Go to the left top corner of the cells table. Press label A1 for income. We'll have categories for expenses and totals and labels B1 and C1. Rename as I do. Next, let's input some data into our Excel spreadsheet. In the income column, enter your various sources of income. In the expense column, list your monthly expenses. Now, let's calculate the totals for income and expenses. We'll use Excel's built-in formulas for this. If you're facing any difficulties in understanding, please abide by the regulations I have provided. Make sure to double-check your formulas for accuracy. Formatting cells can improve readability. Let's format for currency and alignment if needed. Let's visualize our income and expenses with a simple chart to gain valuable insights into our budget data. Using charts can be really helpful in recognizing patterns and trends, which can allow you to make informed financial decisions. Before we finish, let's review our spreadsheet and, if necessary, make any adjustments. Once you're satisfied. And also don't forget to save your work. Congratulations! You've successfully created a budget spreadsheet in Excel. Remember, budgeting is a powerful tool for financial management, and Excel makes it easy to track your income and expenses. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more tutorials.